famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. So yeah, let's get straight to it. Today we are cooking, I don't know, but there's mash, so chicken and other veggies. I don't know what I was doing here. But I wanted my families, I didn't know what was the plan, but I knew I could like that relationship. Wage. Would say no to but I sure I was at I was a robal. So kicking milua today. Anyway, chicken mola beshiki di real, kishalaga di aromatanyana. Beshe ke ya peile molao wa ke ya peile ka bona re chicken na le swele tshwana ka re le ngwanyana o muditse o ra o sa mnyaka motho sho muditse o wena aksa o nyaka mara wa boya boy. So ka I bula because a betsanya go buja, it didn't want to get ready ya kwishisha ka re okay una le swele ka ka cut into pieces ka chela di spices nyana tsa ka la tsa spice ka moga ke spirit. Yes, spice ka moga ke spirit se tshwana le master bedroom o tsene mang le mang. So ka spice mona ka chela ke I wish it I could wish it ka kwara oven. I get wish it ka mara oven because the reason why I'm putting the spices, the inner part of it didn't want to cooperate, and motho sa cooperate umu 90 alternative bona to phone motho sa cooperate ke might ya emenya ke sa dia content ke ngwana re shiska lawara motho sa cooperate ka chela malape be ke sa le mo dikolong content today be ke sa bolela le ngwana okay ke chela so I ke la tsa reng vele the ingredients tse ding ka mo like it's a secret. I can't tell you everything. I always tell you that I can't tell you everything. Yeah, I'm mixing up my spices, aromat, because we love aromat in this house, and the sauces. You know, chicken, if you cook chicken like a full chicken as it is, the white part, the white meat part, most of the time it doesn't really get enough salt or the sauces and everything. So obviously we'll need to cut it into pieces. Make sure that you marinate it and put it back where it belongs, in the oven. The same way but we are more lining how. The same way when they put you right. Whether you are a main or a side. Anyway, it's none of my business. We are boiling corn. Okay, you see the water is a bit brownish. What is this? Chumariki to make it more orange. Okay. Anyway, I don't because I'm peeling my potatoes. I'm peeling while I'm peeling. At least famies, make sure that you like. If you don't want to like this video, at least comment. If you feel like commenting, it's not your thing, at least share the video. If you don't want to share, at least subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Don't worry, it's not about money. This entertainment industry, it is content. Yeah, some of you will be like, no, not subscribe. I will never subscribe because of money. My sister, when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say no, nobody can say yes. That's all I can say. So, but then, it is the Lord who make the final decision. No. So, I beg, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video before. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Anyway, why the chopping is taking forever? Why is it taking forever? Because I'm tired. So then we are going to make mash, right? We are going to make mash. I'm dicing them into cubes and washing them. You know what? In this house, I wash every little thing. I wash every little thing because I'm not about to feed my people poison or contaminated food. And then there's there's a little bit of warm water, and again aromant. Hey, how when I'm at you must run. Again, Kimola corn is still coming, and then here we are boiling our potato. I know corn and potato it's starch, but yeah, we'll see. Then we are doing broccoli aside, broccoli, and then the 2Ks they call it. Now I call it broccoli. The 2Ks by which are broccoli. So okay, I'm putting in my mustard sauce. Okay. You must mix up things. This year, like famies, we must learn how to cook different things. Okay, you can't be feeding your family, your uncles, your siblings, your what same thing every day. You must be smart. Must be creative. Cooking is about creative. You must come up with ideas, Then I put my mayonnaise sauce as well. You know that we don't show the brands because, wow, they are not giving us even a 1 rand, okay? So we are not about here to promote them for nothing. But sometimes I do showcase the products that I use. So yeah, forgive me for that. And I put in this one, it's a pepper and what sauce? I forgot. It's pepper something sauce. Yeah, it's also a pepper something sauce. So yeah, this is the mixture and our diced broccoli, as the 2Ks are saying, broccoli. The mixture is going to give us, different types of taste. Different types of taste. I think you can have a pimple and in loses attention. Anyway, I don't know. Cucumber. I can only be cucumber. So I always remove these things inside because I don't understand them. Remove okay, you know what, when you're removing your mother-in-law into your business, into your marriage, or remove a side cheek. Remove like so remove put it in a different container, and then you're gonna take your baby tomatoes. Please wash them. In this house we wash everything. I wash everything. You just cut them into 2 pieces. There's no need to be dramatic and dice them in apple and rata dice. I'm pretty sure about some of you in rata dice and dicing. It's not my thing. I hate dicing. I hate chopping. It's just that I can't throw things as they are. But if it was according to me, I was gonna use my eyes to chop because I don't like it. Anyway, you see, I'm a neat freak. Everything kapumula Kimola our side salad. We're going to make our cucumber and tomato salad. I have tata guys when you move to and wabona tamati ka ina meats. I na metsi a tlhakatlhakane ke re tšatši le leng ke eta ko wena o to di tamati ya metsi ke tlo hata motho mo wa bona ke tlo bola wena ka studio content wa ta wa apeya nontsontsho. Yes. Ke mala na mile ke daisa feta cheese. I get banyana ba ka feta cheese le bubuti ba ka my family. Ba ke a daisa ke tšali yellow pepper ke re etla wena re o bone o tlo re fe color, give us color. Tint, give us a tint. Ya thoma o tlhaka ya tlhakana dilo di ya tlhakana di ya kopana ke lenyalo ba le ntwela sa le relationship. A ka re la tsa re shete re fetša dijo tša re thoma o tlhakana jalo go ba bose ke lenyalo di family di ya tlhakana motho ngwala le tha ka re bo malome ba re ka di ba ki wa tsa re keng ba ra wa motho la wa botsa pa promise ra wa baby. I think you have stood the test of time. We have stood the test of time. We are about to dish up. Things are getting better. Listen, lo ena mola o itshwere sharp up ngwanyana ka you were containing your behavior. Even the sweet corny the behavior was well contained. That guy is impressed. The money is in the bank, okay? The cows are in there. Di ka mo morago ka kwa lešakeng ka kwa in the whatever. bo malome ba le ba ona ba o nyaka di Jack Daniels nje a tseba gore bošetša ka lefatha le le tee mara o nyako nwa Jack Daniels e mo feleletše re thome re thore ramagugu ei a re ye a re apeng mola namile a wa re checka matsapana a rena matsapana a tsa busy a tsapane ya wa ke re ke a kgotla ke a kwara matsapana la ready they are ready to be mashed they are ready to be mashed re lo mesha and then aromatic. The reason why I prefer to put aromat immediately together with the whatever that I cook is because of they blend together. Gore di a tsenelela letswai le a tsenelela a o gapeletše dilo a o fose dilo le bona o re ke try relationship o bona ra ape ka mo ke tee kam I'm alone in this relationship. So in this case, every time when you cook, make sure that the salt immediately you put your salt so that they go together. And how to just something aromatic you're going to kill us one day, so don't do that. Decide whether spice or aromatic period. So I remember the sauces and the broccoli and all those sweet and sour what get mixed together. Today I wanted us to have mesh, but a different mesh, a mesh from private school. Okay, yeah. Ke mola wa meshi botse salad ke la e ready dijo di yo ratara ya monate bile ina le dessert le yo le na re jele monate. Anyway, thank you for watching, famies. I love you so much. May God bless you, bless your children if you have, bless your hustle, your business, give you more days of life until I see you again. Bye and have a lovely day, evening. Bye, famies. May God bless you. I keep continue watching the content. Subscribe bang.